So let's get started on this one. So here's 0, here's 1, and we wanted to cut it into thirds. Here's my trick again. If I want 3 parts, take away a finger, I'm going to use 2 lines. So somewhere here to make 3 equal parts, maybe I'll put them here. So one about there, and one about there. There we go. So I have 1 part, 2, 3. And from what we did up above, remember, if I'm in my car, I haven't even started, I've gone 0 of the 3 parts. Let's drive. Here's my first stop. I've now gone 1 of the 3 parts. Keep going. Here we go. I've now gone 2 of the 3 parts. And then keep traveling. When we get to the end, I have gone 3 of the 3 parts. There we go. All right, our next step. Use the same pattern as problem 1, but for thirds. So if I can't remember what we started with, the first one we did 1 vertical line down the middle for each rectangle, creating 2 parts. But remember, this time we don't want 2 parts. We want 3 parts. So 3 parts, take away a finger, 2 lines. So let's draw. Try and make them as even as you can. There we go, 2 lines. I have 1, 2, 3 parts. Do it on all of them. There we go. So I've separated each of them into 3 parts. Then we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my highlighter and I am going to highlight the first part on each of these squares. So here's 1/3. 1/3 again. 1/3. And 1/3. All right, pause the video if you need more time. Okay, so let's start with this part. Underneath all of these, I want us to label 1/3. That's what these are showing. And we're trying to find fractions that are equal to 1/3. So that's why I have an equal sign next to each of these. Again, pause if you need more time. Look what I did up above. I'm going to use this as my model. Looking at just the horizontal lines. On this first one, I had 1 horizontal line, 2 horizontal lines, 3 horizontal lines, and then 4 horizontal lines. I want us to do that same thing down here. So in the first one, 1 line. The second one, I'm going to do 2 lines, then 3 lines, then 4 lines. All right, pause if you need more time. Okay, now here's what I want you to do. I would like you to show what fraction each of these squares is now showing. Remember, the shaded part didn't change, so they should still be equal as long as all of them have about the equal sized parts. Each part should be roughly the same. So on this first one, I now have 2 shaded parts out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. 2 sixths. Then we're going to check it. Are these really equal fractions? So going from 3 to 6, what would I multiply by? 3 times what equals 6? 3, 6, 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So these are only equal fractions if I can multiply the top by 2 also. 1 times 2 is 2, so these really are equal. Okay, I would like you to finish doing that for each of these. Show me what new fraction was created. Remember, you're looking at the top number is the shaded parts. The bottom number is the total number of parts. Then I want you to figure out, are they truly equal? And I want you to do that using multiplication. When you're ready to check, go on to the next slide. Good job.